Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to LeetCode daily series by CodeByTushu. I hope you all are doing great and learning consistently. So today we are going to solve a very interesting medium level problem. Minimum absolute distance between mirror pair. Okay. Now before jumping into coding, let's first understand the problem very clearly. And I want you really focus here because understanding the problem is 70% of the solution. Alright guys, and now let's understand the code step by step. We start with the function public int min mirror pair distance int array nums. This is our main function where we take the input array and return the minimum distance. And next line int n equal to nums dot length. Here we are simply strong the size of the array so that we don't to compare it again. Next map integer pause like new has map less than greater than, and this is very important. We are creating a HashMap where key will be number, especially reverse number. Value will be its index. So basically this map help us quickly check if a matching reverse number already exists. Next line int ans equal to n plus 1. We initialization our answer with a very large value yn plus 1 because the maximum possible distance between two include index is n minus 1, so n plus 1 act like identify infinity. Now we start through the array. For this line we go through each element one by one inside the loop. If use the condition, then this line is check has a current number already appeared as a reversed number before. If yes, that means we found a mirror pair. Next line answer math dot min answer, like here we calculate the distance between two index pose get num, so distance equal to I previous index, so we take the minimum distance of here. Now come the most important line pose put reverse nums array I. This is line stores the reversed value the current number along with its index. This is key idea of the solution. Instead of the storing the original number, we store its reversed version so that in future if we encounter its reverse we can immediately match it. Don't worry. Now after the loop finisher return answer and question mark answer. This means if answer is still greater than n, then no valid pair was found, return -1. Otherwise return the minimum distance. Now let's understand the reverse function. Private its reverse index int x. The function reverse the digit of a number. Next int y is equal to 0. We initialization a variable to store the reverse number. Then for loop use. This loop run until the number becomes 0. In each initialization we remove the last digit inside the loop. Here the happening like just we are building the reverse number step by step. Example Example, if x is equal to 120, step by step 1 into 0, and finally return y, we return y the reversed number. So overall the inquiry logic work like this: traverse the array, store, reverse the value in the map. If a matching number is found, calculate distance, keep track and minimum distance. And that's how the efficiency solve the problem in inner line input and learning. HashMap reduce complexity, reverse logic is key, order matters. Time complexity omega n is omega n multiply digit, space complexity omega n. Now one small tip for you guys: always try to convert but force into HashMap based optimization. This is very common interview pattern, and I hope you understanding this clearly. If yes, just pause this video, try coding it yourself, and then come back the math your solution. Also, does not forget to subscribe to the channel, because we are solving LeetCode daily, and consistency is the key. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comments. I personally read and reply to as many as possible. Alright guys, that's it for today. We will meet again tomorrow with another problem. Till then, keep coding, keep learning, and keep consistency. And thank you so much, guys.